Hey there everyone, we will come back with another tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how to make this fully procedural stair in Blender.
After this tutorial you have this. You can customize this about your scene, you can able to add more steps. You can change the shape of stair and step, and also you can change the material. You can change anything about your scene.
In this tutorial I'll show every single step to make this easily. Alright, so watch the tutorial without skipping any step and then now go to the tutorial. Alright, in this tutorial, if any key I press you can see here, and now delete the cube. And now add Bezier curve. And now go to geometry node. And now delete this tab and set it like me. And now we press here to add new geometry, and now we add spiral node, and now our delete the group input node, and now set the value of rotation to 0.9, and now set the start radius to 2 meter and add instance on point node. And now add cylinder node and connect with instance, and now add endpoint selection node and connect with selection, and now spiral node to join geometry node, and now connect join geometry node to input. And now, set cylinder value radius to 0.01 and set depth to 1.2, and now add set position node and set the value on z-axis 0.4, and now add curve to mesh node between the join geometry and spiral. And now, add mesh circle node and connect with profile curve, and now set the radius to 0.1, and now select curve to mesh node and mesh circle node and duplicate this and connect with join geometry. And now, duplicate the set position node and connect between curve to mesh node and join geometry node, and now set the mesh circle node radius to 0.005. And now add another instance on point node and connect with join geometry and set position to instance, and now duplicate the set position node to here. And now go to spiral and now set heat to 0 and set position z to -0.5, and now duplicate the cylinder node and connect with instance and set the cylinder radius to 0.01 and depth to 0.4. And set the set position to 0.2, and now select all of these and press H to hide, and now move down there and add instance on point node and connect with spiral node and connect instance to join geometry. And now add cube node and connect with instance, and now add transform geometry here and set scale to 0.2 on x, y, z, and now add align areolar to vector node and add curve tangent node and connect with vector and set factor to 1. And now go to transform geometry and set y scale to 0.5 and set y translation to -0.3 and adjust this to make perfect stair steps, and now increase the height, and now go to align Euler to vector and change auto to z, and now increase height, and now we have this, and now unhide the all nodes, and now add another instance on point node between spiral and join geometry and add UV sphere node and connect with instance and set the radius to 0.1, and now press it to select all and press Ctrl G, and here you seen another group input, and now open a new tab here and set this like me. And now connect group to resolution and press tab, and now here name that stair, and now go here and select the stair, and now you seen here resolution and double tap to rename this and name that step count, and connect with rotation and name that layer count, and connect with start radius and end radius, and also connect with height, and now move down here to cube and connect with size and connect with translation and connect with pick instance and named it to stair repair, and now move down here and connect with radius and connect with offset and name that grill radius and grill offset, and we go here to the instance on point and connect with pick instance and name that to grill repair, and now go down here to cylinder and connect with radius and name that grill pipe radius and connect with depth and name that grill pipe length. And now go here and press shift and left click and cut this, and now select all of these cuts and press S to scale, and now add set material here and add new material and just assign the material to all as you seen on screen. Alright, And now we have this. And now it's time to fun. And now go to Shading tab and go to Edit Preferences and search for Material Library Vex and enable this add-in. And now set this tab like me, and now you seen here Material Library, and click on this and click on Sample Material, and now we have material. And now go here and find wood and press apply to select it, and now go up and you seen a wood material. And now go to Modifier tab and assign material step to wood, and now go here and select the second material and metallic to full and roughness to 0, and now here Shading tab, and here we apply basic glass material. And now go to Modifier tab again and assign Material Grill to Basic Glass, and now we have this, we have Basic Glass nodes, and now duplicate the Mix shader here, and now add Principle BSDF, and now add Wave Texture, and now set this scale this to 18. And now add Color Ramp, and now adjust the material, and now scale to 50, and now set Mix shader to 5, and now we have this type on grill, and adjust the settings about your scene. And now repeat the process and assign the all material as you seen on screen. And now use any HDRI to make your scene perfect. Which HDRI I am using in this tutorial link was available in description. And now we have this, like and subscribe the channel and comment me any mistake me do in this tutorial. If you want to make sure you watch this tutorial link was available in description. Goodbye.